Step 1. Go to the AbCPROXy website and click on the dashboard to go to the main page. Step 2. Click on the Proxies button at the top of the website. Find the Serp API section and click Learn More. Step 3. Click Get Started. Step 4. AbCPROXy offers customers a 7-day free trial. Click on Start Free Trial. Step 5. Click using the Serp API to jump to the main page. Step 6. Click on the website. Select the website from which you would like to obtain real-time search engine data. Step 7. Click Search Query to enter keywords here. Step 8. Click Additional Parameters to set other conditions. Step 9. Click Submit Request. Step 10. Clicking on Output Preview will show you all the data about coffee on Google. Step 11. Click JSON Response in Output. Step 12. Click Copy in Request Code to copy what you need. Join today.